Hey everybody, my name is Angela Godwin and this is Water Talk, brought to you by Water Online. I'm here at WEFTEC 2023 in Chicago, and joining me today, I am very excited to catch up with my guest, Dale Matthews. He is with Badger Meter. Dale, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, I'm excited to catch up and learn a little bit about your background and what's going on these days with Badger Meter.
It's an exciting time at Badger Meter. It really, truly, especially at this particular show at WEFTEC and being part of the water industry here, since over 100 years, Badger Meter has been synonymous with water, and to be incorporated in this show in the water and wastewater industry, it's a really exciting time. Starting out from Badger, our humble beginnings, as a basic water meter company, and now evolving over the years and over the 100 plus years into flow instrumentation, and now into the water quality segment. So it's a really good time and a really exciting time at Badger Meter.
Yeah, a lot of growth happening. It is very, very exciting to watch that from the outsider's perspective too, right? So now flow and water quality monitoring, obviously this is going to be a big benefit to end users. How can it help them optimize their operations?
Well, it would really help optimize, because we have a saying that we use at Badger Meter. It says you can't manage what you don't monitor. So by having a complete portfolio, having now flow instrumentation and water quality, it really gives our customers and our end users the data that they need to optimize their operations. For example, real-time data can really help improve electrical efficiencies. One of the biggest costs that we see in the industry, and one of the biggest drivers is electricity and operational. So anything that we can do to help monitor, that we can help improve the efficiency on the electricity usage, reduce usage, really helps a plant run more efficiently and really provides a better value to our customers. And it's all driven through data. They need to have the accurate data to make those informed decisions.
Yeah, that really does come down to that data, that information, right? So talk a little bit more about how the accuracy of that data really plays into efficiencies and improvements.
Well, accuracy, there's a lot of processes in the industry right now that are very manual. So you'll have a particular person out there doing a manual process, which is labor intensive. It talks about you go through and there's travel time. A lot of time that is spent where if we had data, if we had an instrument piece and it's providing accurate data up into the cloud and onto a dashboard, onto a monitor, it will really improve the efficiency, and it will eliminate some of those truck rolls and some of those needs for labor to physically be out there.
Right. And those labor efficiencies, boy, they really go a long way, especially if a utility doesn't have a whole lot of staff, to be out there doing these things, right? They can be repurposed elsewhere.
Right, it really does. And when you have more of a computer or an accurate data point, you're helping reduce the need for human error, if that makes sense. And it's more efficient. It's a true number in that aspect.
Yeah, that makes total sense for sure. So now you offer so many different applications for so many different pieces of the water cycle. Why is that important to Badger Meter?
Well, it's solutions. It really is a solutions. There's a lot of variable applications out in a plant or out in a facility, and it's really challenging for our customers and our partners to go from one piece of instrumentation from one manufacturer and another piece of instrumentation that solves another need from another. So at Badger Meter, a complete portfolio, wide portfolio, really pulls all that together. We have the resources, we have the actual bandwidth to go through and take care of a customer. So it's one point of contact, it's good, reliable data, and it really improves the efficiency of the plant.
Yeah, and that is really great for your customers, isn't it? I mean, it streamlines that whole operation. They don't just come to you for one thing and then have to go to 6 different vendors to get all those other pieces.
Right. One expert, one phone call in the field. I mean, it really reduces downtime, because in some of those applications, there's some critical time blocks that are there, and the better that we can improve the efficiency, the more we can go through and the quicker we can react to a situation or potential situation, really will make it's more valuable to our end user.
That's great. It's a really nice value proposition for your customers, for sure, Dale. So let me ask you, before we let you go, if our viewers here are looking for a little more information about Badger Meter and all of the great products and solutions that you offer, where could they go for some information?
great question. www.badgermeter.com, and we have our full range of all of our portfolios. We have it broken down by product lines as well as market solutions. So we have it dialed down for all of your needs.
A lot of great resources, even case studies and videos and all kinds of things to help,
Everything you need.
Your users, for sure. Well, Dale, we wish you all the best of luck going forward. Thank you so much for your time today.
Well, thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
And to all of you watching, we thank you for tuning in. This has been Water Talk. My name is Angela Godwin.